Yankees. Let's go. We are ready to rip and roll. And I'm going to put on my patented Titans mitts.
Good luck to the Pirates.
The man with the black hands and the fire poles. It's time. All right, here we go. Got our 2 boxes. Empty box. And empty box. All right. Empty lid. And empty box. Cha-ching. Go, buddy. And a lid action. Box number 2. And an empty carton.
Here we go.
There we go. All right, guys. Okay, here we go. Box number 1. Good luck, everybody. Empty box. All right, here we go. First card. Legends. That is Jim Gilliam. Going to the Brooklyn Dodgers to 49. Nice Legends hit. All right, nice hit there. There we go. It's going to go to Kelly S. off that mini action. 14 of 49. Nice. Darn it. Brooklyn. First Legends that we've hit, I think. All right, here we go. Evan Longoria to 25. Nice relic. Going to the Giants. Got something in there. Giants with the hit. That is going to Mark A. Nice hit there. These cards are stunning. We have a redemption. This one is Keegan Aiken, rookie patch autographs. Keegan Aiken. I'm not sure the team here. Keegan Aiken, RPA. Maybe somebody can hook us up in the comments there and let us know. Nice RPA. I'm just going to do one better here. All right, that is, looks like Orioles. Keegan Aiken, Baltimore, round 2, pick 54. All right, nice hit there for the O's. So RPA, redemption, and that is going to Chadwin and the Orioles. Next hit, going to the Twins, Brent Rooker. Nice triple RPA to 99. Beautiful card. Twins with the hit. Steve C. on the board. It's a beaut. Nice hit. All right, here we go. Next hit. Adonis Medina, RPA to 49, triple relic. Looks like we got 3 different kinds of relic there. Nice RPA to 49. Very nice. That's going to Philly.
I think that's a piece of the baseball there.
Yeah, it looks like it.
So, first baseball patch.
All right. That's going to Mark A and the Phillies. Nice RPA. Man, these cards are gorgeous, you guys. Love looking at these cards. And the last hit. Oh, yeah, baby. We got ourselves a 1 of 1, and it is a slammer, baby. Huge hit here. 1 of 1, printing play RPA, Jason Dominguez going to the Yankees. That is a huge hit. Wow.
Whoa!
Going to David A. Oh, my
JT.
goodness. That's a banger, baby. That's what we call a whale. Whale watching. Oh, my goodness. Probably the biggest card we've pulled out of Immaculate yet. That card is huge, too. It's super thick.
Whoa! That
Wow.
ball thick.
Congrats on that hit. That is a sweet hit. Jason Dominguez, 1 of 1, printing play RPA with the chunky patch. David A with a banger hit.
That's why
Holy
this
cow.
stuff is so expensive.
That is crazy. What a hit. That's only box 1. Empty box. We are on to box 2, guys. All right, here we go. Next box, everybody. Empty, and we are good to go. First hit is going to be a jumbo patch. Christian Javier to the Astros jumbo jerseys. This one is to 49.
When they say jumbo, they mean jumbo.
I know, that's a big old chunk. Jersey. All right. I'll try a thinner one here. I think this is more 100 point. All right. There we go. These sizes are still a little new to me, so I want to get them right. Here we go. Now we're there. All right. Nice hit, Astros. That's going to Kelly S.
That's a big ball.
All right, here we go. Next hit coming at you. Actually, I'm going to spin these around. It looks like I got them upside down. Dwight Gooden. Patch to 25. Very nice.
Nice. That ball
Going
thick.
to the Mets, I believe, right? Gooden was Mets. Big old thick card there. Nice hit. Nice vet. I was checking out the checklist, man. There's some really cool vets in here on the relics. That's going to go to Kelly S. All right, here we go. Next hit, we got a redemption. Woo! Yeah, baby. Luis Gonzalez, Immaculate Autographs, red. Material autographs. Luis Gonzalez.
That's the 45. I mean 49.
Red is 49? Yeah, I guess it is, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Luis Gonzalez, I believe that's Dodgers. Nice hit. That is mini paying dividends. Going to Kelly S. I believe that's Dodgers. I'm going to check just real quick. It says drafted by the Astros. Now it says White Sox. I'm confused here. I'm not really sure which team that is, guys. I thought he was Dodgers, but I'm getting some different stuff online here. Maybe somebody can let us know in the comments. Huh. All right. Well, sorry guys, I have no idea who, which team this goes to. Luis Gonzalez. Okay, it is Dodgers. Dodgers. D-backs. D-backs. Yeah, that's who it is. All right. I will figure that one out here. This is card number 3. Card number 3. So maybe you guys can check the checklist for me. All right, I'm going to set this over here, and we'll go to the next card. Sorry, guys. I just want to make sure I get it to the right guy in the break. All right, next hit. Lewin Diaz. Triple RPA. Look at that chunky patch to 49. Beautiful card there, going to the Miami Marlins. That's going to Sunny D. Beautiful card. All right, there you go, Sunny. Nice one there. Yeah, I'll use the card number. After the break, I will look that one up, guys. All right, here we go. Next up. Here we go. Number to 10, clutch, Braxton Garrett. Look at that. Like a shadow box. Really nice auto. That card is so thick.
That ball thick.
That's the thickest card we've pulled out of here yet. And I mean, that is monstrously thick. Man, that is beautiful. Another hit for the Marlins. 4 of 10. Woo-wee! That's a baby. Yeah, that card is nasty. The patches too, man. Look at it. It's really cool looking. I'm literally going to have to put this in a 220 point. That's in a 260 point. Big hit, man. That is a sick card. Nice one there. Just going to put that right there. We got one hit left, guys. And this one is just about exactly the same as the one we just hit. Another clutch. Tristan McKenzie to 50. Going to the Indians. So 2 clutch hits back to back. Nice RPA. Very cool. Man, another fantastic break. This stuff is gas. What a fun rip. I'm really thinking about getting a box of this for me and my son to open. I've got 2 more boxes of Immaculate sitting right here, guys. You want me to run this back? This stuff is fire. I'm going to do our hit recap. Congrats to everybody that hit. I wish there was more hits in here. That's just not what you get when you buy this product, but man, what a wonderful break. Great hits. Congrats, everybody. Let's do our hit recap. All right, we got the Keegan Akin rookie patch autographs. That's a nice one there. Luis Gonzalez, Immaculate Material autographs red. And we got our 4 mem hits. Nice legend. Jim Gilliam going to the Dodgers. This is to 49. Evan Longoria to 25 going to the Giants. Jumbo jerseys. Christian Javier to the Astros. And we got Dwight Gooden to the Mets to 25. RPA Adonis Medina to 49. Triple relic. That's going to the Phillies. Clutch Tristan McKenzie to 50. RPA. Going to the Indians. And Clutch Braxton Garrett RPA going to the Marlins. Numbered 4 of 10. I'm not sure what that is there. That's a piece of a glove, I think. It does look like a piece of a glove, right? I think that's what that is. I'm not 100% sure. Looks like something around the hand there. All right, nice hit there. Another RPA triple relic chunky patch there. Lewin Diaz going to the Marlins to 49. Triple RPA to 99. This is Brent Rooker going to the Twins. And the Beast from the East, Jason Dominguez, 1 of 1 printing plate auto. His auto is super nice, man. You'd expect a top player like that to have a clean auto, and he sure does. Awesome patch there, going to the Yankees. 1 of 1, that will get you the 1 of 1 bounty. Congrats to David A on this hit. Beautiful card. Really, really nice, man. Such a thick card, too. It's a huge card. Alright, guys, that is it for this break. Congrats to everybody that hit. I'm thinking about putting up another 2 box of Immaculate. That'll be all I have for now. We'll go back to some Bowman Draft and Bowman's Best after that. And I'll have a box of NT soon. But, man, this stuff is super hot. What a break. Whew! All right, guys. Congrats to everybody that hit. Appreciate everybody jumping in and getting this one filled. Man, I'm really proud of our baseball contingent that's growing in our room. Just a couple weeks ago, maybe even a month ago, we really couldn't even fill a baseball break in Firestarter. And basketball was the head break we did. Now we can't fill basketball, but baseball, it's booming, baby, and I'm loving it. All right, guys, you have enjoy the rest of your night, and I will see you on the next break. If we can get them filled by 9:30 Pacific, we will rip. All right.